So today I found myself coming to the world's first KFC. This is the birthplace of KFC, where Colonel Sanders invented his chicken. So I guess there's like a museum and it's like a regular KFC restaurant. So let's go head on in and see what we can get. To be honest with you guys, I don't remember the last time I ate at KFC was. So I'm kind of looking forward to it, and it just seemed like something cool today. So let's head on in and get some fried chicken with those 11 herbs and spices. It's 11, I think, isn't it? I don't know. They have a museum, so we'll find out too. I'm not gonna lie, I love this other sign that they have over here too. It's kind of cool. They have a gas pump outside and all kinds of little interesting things here. So I'm gonna go check it out. Pure Pep Regular. It's cool. A little bit of a nod to awesomeness that is Colonel Sanders. Comment below, guys, when was the last time you guys actually went to KFC? Like I said, it's been quite a while for me, so let's go get some chicken. Now this is an awesome sign right here. Birthplace of a legend. I'll just leave that there for a sec so you guys can read it. Pause the video if you want to read the rest of it, but I'm gonna head on into the Sanders Cafe. Totally found my way in, so let's chill out for a sec and wait to get some scrumptiousness. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna get, but I know it's all about the original recipe, so let's see what we end up with. KFC goodness. I don't think they have the chicken littles anymore. Shows you how long it is like since I've been here, literally. So I guess they have a sweet lightning Mountain Dew. I've never tried it, so let's try some and see if it's any good. Now you guys know I have to be like the Disney vloggers and film the merchandise. This is kind of cool. They have different stuff here though, for sure. And this awesome thing on the ground too. Original recipe. Super cool. So I totally went with the 3-piece chicken combo. It came with 2 breasts, a leg, an awesome biscuit, mashed potatoes and gravy, coleslaw, and then they gave me some sauces. They gave me the honey barbecue sauce, they gave me the KFC sauce. And you can always have to get honey for every type of biscuit. So let's dig on into this chicken goodness. Oh yeah, and I also got that crazy orange drink. It kind of reminds me of this old school koala bear drink that I used to get back in the day, but let's go dig into this hot piping chicken. All right, so I know you guys want the lowdown on the chicken and everything from KFC. I don't remember it being this good. Maybe it's a special one because it's actually, they try harder here. I don't know. But I am gonna say this, I will try one of the ones when I get back home. See if it's as good as it was here. The chicken was juicy, it was super flavorful. There was like a ton of pepper in there. Mashed potatoes are those awesome instant things. And the biscuit was actually like the star. Super good, a little bit buttery, add that honey to it. Makes it magically scrumptious its own way. I don't think I've ever done like a fast food vlog before, but hey, it's cool in its own way. So yeah, that was awesome. And I'm gonna cruise around and show you guys the rest of the museum here because there's all kinds of really cool stuff in here. So let's go get dirty with it. This is cool. It's like the typical kitchen setup in here. The dish pit, the stoves. Clothes to live by. It's got all kinds of them too. Love that. Well, let's keep on cruising and see what else we can find in here. I feel like this place got like renovated recently because it's like really like new feeling in here. Here is all the secret spices. All of the secret spices. All of the secret spices. Everything. Hey, there's a lot more than 11 in here. See, they do that to confuse you so you don't know actually what 11 it is. There's some very good spices in here though. Kind of cool. The Colonel himself chilling. That's cool. This is like a secret little vault area. Then we're gonna cruise around. I saw this other room over here, so let's go check this out as well. A legit old school model. This is awesome. This place is like 4 times the size of the Knott's Chicken Dinner restaurant. I guess if you're tired from the chicken nap, you can sleep in the Colonel's bed. Seriously. This is cool. I guess this is part of like the hotel that they had too, like before, from what that was over there. You know, like I really didn't know that there was like actually so much history to KFC. That's probably why it got like so crazy big in its own way. The man, the myth, the chicken legend holding his bucket of goodness. Awesome old school little dining setup right there. And then I saw some more things over here too. So let's go keep on cruising and see what else we can find. Stay hydrated whether you're at Colonel Sanders or the park, guys. The early years. That's cool. It started off as a gas station. I love like coming to places like this because you learn so much random things about what actually went down. And if any of you have worked at a quick service restaurant, you know how crazy it can get. I've spent many years working on the park, so I know how intense it could get and how demanding some of the people can be. This is rad. We got history of the bucket history. Which one of these do you remember is the real question. I don't know. Like I said, it's been like so many years since I've like literally came to KFC, but this is kind of cool. You can like spin it around. Spin it around. It doesn't want to spin very well. Even more buckets of goodness all over the place. That's so cool. I so need like a Let's Play at KFC playsite. They have some Star Wars characters. Even more buckets. There's so many. Oh my god. Literally. I love how much memorabilia they have in here. This is super cool. There's so much rad stuff. Literally playing advertisements in the back too. I'll be quiet so you can listen to them for a while. Full on Star Wars KFC setup. You need a little bit of KFC, guys. I guess this is like the chill area. Kind of cool. And we got a little bit more over here too, so let's wander over here and see what else we can find. Colonel is an icon. Everybody knows that crazy awesome old man because he makes the best chicken around, in a way. I guess you can say that. There's so much random, like, interesting little things in here. All the KFCs, all over the place. I'm sure it's like way more saturated than that, but I'm sure there's some random ones in some pretty cool spots though. That's cool. Marking their first locations from where they came about in different places of the world. That's pretty sick. All the way down to Estonia in 2019 and Sudan and Rwanda. That's crazy awesome. I'm not gonna lie, that looks like almost like some kind of awesome Asian beer. Maybe it is. Got a little Whomper bat. Ooh, a Sylvester for all my Six Flags fans out there. And we're gonna cruise around some more and see what else we can find. Awesome, I found the Colonel himself in case you want to post up with him. And some buttons. There's so much awesome random memorabilia in here. Name tags, awesome Colonel pins. Kind of cool. Well, I'm gonna cruise around and I'll just see if I can find something else for you guys too. Wouldn't be coming to KFC if you didn't find the Colonel suit. Harlan Sanders is the man. Kind of some old school pictures. It's awesome. Western Union telegrams.
The fire department is here. We're cleaning
Or he was the Colonel, he was a man. Or he was the Kentucky Fried Chicken man. This is cool. Another awesome little statue right here. Well, I'm gonna head on out. See if there's anything else outside. Well, thank you guys for watching this interesting little trip here to KFC. I mean, it was pretty cool. The chicken was tasty, the people working here were super cool, and the whole history in the museum was awesome. So if you find yourself here in Corbin, Kentucky, definitely come give it a shot, because I mean, if you're a fan of the restaurant or just want to go see some cool KFC memorabilia, I mean, come get yourself some lunch. It was pretty cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. You never know what other random KFCs I might film for you. I think this will be the only one. But hey, maybe I'll make it to the original Del Taco again someday in Barstow, because that one's like amazing. Once I get back there, I'll film it for you guys. Love you all. Stay safe, beautiful, amazing. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. Can't do my peace symbol right now, but hey, I got some Pepsi instead of the interesting Mountain Dew. See you guys later.